will be out, while Bogosian is still in the box. Brian Little behind the net for Andrew Ladd. Ladd in front of the net for Enstrom, scores! Toby Enstrom on a great feed from the captain. And a 4-on-4 goal makes it 3-1.
Welcome back, Toby Enstrom. Huge goal, but it starts with Brian Little, makes the play down low, strips the puck out front, stays with it. Andrew Ladd comes in with support, and Toby Enstrom foils the forward covering him. Nice little jumps by Stamkos, and he puts this roof to give the Jets the 3-1 lead.
So 2 points coming into that goal for Little, 2 points for Wheeler. The captain figures, I better get on the score sheet here.
Well, and Andrew Ladd continues to put up points for his hockey team. And Brian Little, at the start of that play, it's kept in by Dustin Byfuglien along the wall. A great little stick check, and Little turns what could have been a turnover and transition into the goal that the Jets got.